Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sunil Chandan Shive, and in this video, we are going to discuss the various multiple choice questions and their answers of the subject of foundation course, which is a compulsory subject for the FY BCom, FY BA, and FY BSc for the semester second. Dear students, as per University of Mumbai, you can see the syllabus of foundation course for the semester second. There are five important modules are there. The first module deals with the globalization and Indian society. Second module is about human rights. Third module deals with the ecology. Fourth module is about understanding stress and conflict. And fifth module deals with the managing stress and conflict in contemporary society. So let's begin with the first module, globalization and Indian society. So the first question is, the term dash dash refers to freedom to business enterprises from excessive government control, and the correct answer is liberalization. Liberalization means the freedom is given to the business enterprises from excessive government control. Second question, the term dash dash implies reduction in the role of public sector and increase in the role of private sector in business and non-business activities, and it is the correct answer is privatization. Yes, in the privatization, what we do, we are increasing the role of public sector in the business and non-business activities and reducing the role of public sector. Third question, dash means integrating the national economy with the world economy, and the correct answer is globalization. Fourth question, dash is a process of selling government's equity in public sector units to private parties. And the correct answer is disinvestment. Yes, disinvestment means what? When the government sell their equities of their business enterprises, of their public sector units to the private parties, and that is known as a disinvestment. Fifth question, dash refers to coerced movement of people away from their home, and the correct answer is forced migration. Sixth question, dash is working with farmers by corporate firms and sharing rewards, and the correct answer is contract farming. Seventh question, dash is undertaken by large corporate firms either by buying land or taking land on lease basis, and the correct answer is corporate farming. Eighth question, as per new industrial policy 1991, licensing is required only in dash industries. As per current data, the licensing is required only in 6 industries. The answer is 6. Ninth question, Government of India has given autonomy to Board of Directors of public sector units in dash and the correct answer is in decision making. It means the government has given the autonomy, the government has given the freedom to the board of directors to take decisions regarding their business, pricing, strategies, marketing. So, the correct answer is decision making. 10th question, as per new industrial policy 1991, at present there are only dash industries reserved for the public sector, and the correct answer is 3. It means nowadays there are only 3 industries are reserved only for the public sector. All other industries are open for the private sector. 11th question, dash means movement or shift of people from one place to another, and the correct answer is migration. Yes, migration means when we are moving from one place to another place, that is known as a migration. 12th question, in the state of dash the number of farmer suicide is the highest, and the correct answer is from these four options: Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, and Chhattisgarh. And from that, the correct answer is Maharashtra. Okay, students. Then the second module deals with the human rights, and in that there are many multiple choice questions are there around. In that 15th multiple choice questions are there. We'll discuss one by one. And in that first question is, human rights are derived from the principle of dash law, and the correct answer is natural. Second question, human rights in a more specified and well defined manner came with the signing of dash in 1215. And the correct answer is Magna Carta. Third question, the UDHR consists of preamble and digest article highlighting human rights and freedom entitled to everyone in the world. And the correct answer is 30. Article 30 is highlighting the human rights and the freedom entitled to everyone in the world. Fourth question, digest rights aims at personal good of an individual as well as that of community, and the correct answer is fundamental. Yes, fundamental rights aims at personal good of an individual as well as that of community. Fifth question, Article 15 of the Constitution provides for dash equality and equal access to public areas, and the correct answer is social. Sixth question, dash of the Constitution abolishes the practice of untouchability, and the correct answer is Article 17. Article 17 deals with the abolishing the practice of untouchability. Seventh question, Article 21 in bracket A has made education as a fundamental right, and the correct answer is primary education. Eighth question, the objective of right to freedom of religion is to sustain the principle of and the correct answer is secularism. Ninth question, human rights are those conditions of life without which no man can seek in general to be himself at his best, and the correct answer is social. Ninth question, human rights have application, and the correct answer is universal application. 11th question, law can be traced to thought of Sophocles and Aristotle, and the correct answer is natural. 12th question, the national right theory first germinated in theory of ethics as the basis of politics, and the correct answer is Hobbes. It means national right theory first germinated in Hobbes theory of ethics as the basis of politics. 13th question, the are defined as basic human freedom which every Indian citizen has the right to enjoy for proper and harmonious development of personality, and the correct answer is fundamental rights. 14th question, Dash has made primary education as a fundamental right, and the correct answer is a right to education has made primary education as a fundamental right. 15th question, Dash empowers the citizens to move a court of law in case of any denial of fundamental rights, and the correct answer is a right to constitutional remedies. Okay students, these are the different answer of the questions of the first module you can see on the screen. There are 15 question are there. Now we will discuss about the multiple choice questions of the third module, and the third module deals with the ecology or environment. Now in that first question is, digest is a biotic and biotic element that surround humans, and the correct answer is environment is the biotic and biotic element that surround humans. Second question, ecosystem is the digest environment consisting of all the living and non-living organism in particular area, and the correct answer is biological. Third question, digest environment provides scope for tourism, sports, wildlife, and adventure, and the correct answer is natural. Natural environment provides scope for tourism, sports, wildlife, and adventure. Fourth question, the process of occurs when the surface of the land is worn away and lost. The correct answer is erosion. Fifth question, acid rain is one of the harmful effect of pollution. And the correct answer is air pollution. Sixth question, development focuses on improving the quality human life without increasing the use of natural resources, and the correct answer is sustainable development focusing on improving the quality of human life without increasing the use of natural resources. Seventh question, the area near the surface of the earth can be divided into dash dash interconnect geospheres, and the correct answer is 4. 8 question, the dash dash is a soiled and rocky crust covering entire planet, and the correct answer is lithosphere. Ninth question, the dash dash is a composed of all of the water on or near the earth, and the correct answer is hydrosphere. 10th question, the dash dash is composed of all living organism, plants, animals, and one sealed organism, and the correct answer is biosphere. Okay, 11th question is there. The dash dash is a layer of gases surrounding our earth, and the correct answer is atmosphere. 12th question, dash dash is a part of the environment made or modified by human and used for their activities, and the correct answer is anthrosphere. 13th question, dash dash ecology examines process and relationship across multiple ecosystems or very large geographical area, and the correct answer is landscape. 14th question, dash dash ecology focuses on the interactions between species within an ecological community, and the correct answer is community. Community ecology focuses on the interaction between species within an ecological community. Okay, next 15th question. In an ecosystem, the dash dash are primary producers, and the correct answer is plants. In an ecosystem, the plants are the primary producers. 16th question, dash dash consumers are human being and others who consume both the plant food and animal food, and the correct answer is tertiary. Tertiary consumers are the human beings and others who consume both plant food and animal food. 17th question, the dash dash consumers are the third level carnivorous, like eagle that eat other birds and reptiles like snakes, and the correct answer is quaternary. 18th question, the dash dash are the small living beings such as a bacteria, insect and fungi, and the correct answer is decomposers. 19th question, dash dash is a deterioration of the environment through depletion of resources, and the correct answer is environmental degradation is the deterioration of environment through depletion of resources. Okay, students, you can see the different answers of the MCQ or multiple choice questions of the third module ecology. There are 19th question are there. Okay, students, now we will move for the next fourth module, understanding stress and conflict. And in that, the first question is, the digest stressors are also called as job related stressors, and the correct answer is organizational. Second question, digest arises when goal directed behavior is blocked, and the correct answer is frustration. Third question, digest is a situation in which two or more parties feel themselves in opposition, and the correct answer is conflict. Conflict में क्या होता है? The two parties feel themselves in a opposition. Then fourth question, the family influences a person's digest through mirror image of himself or herself, and the correct answer is self concept. Fifth question, digest refers to moral and social norm that are essentially desirable for the well-being of the individual, group or society, and the correct answer is values. Sixth question, digest provide moral principle and a rule of good conduct to be followed by individuals in a society, and the correct answer is values. Seventh question, digest implies a preconceived and unreasonable judgment or opinion, usually in unfavorable one, arising out of fear, hatred or suspicion, and the correct answer is prejudice. Eighth question, digest are generalization or assumptions about the characteristics or trait of people belonging to a group, and the correct answer is stereotypes. Ninth question, digest refers to behavior that is intended to cause harm or pain, and the correct answer is aggression. 10th question, digest refers to behaviors by individuals that intentionally threaten, attempt, or inflict physically harm on the others, and the correct answer is violence. 11th question, digest occurs when the person does not know what he is supposed to do on the job, and the correct answer is role ambiguity. 12th question, digest means prejudgment, and the correct answer is prejudice. Okay students, you can see the different correct answer of the module 4th, understanding stress and conflict. Now we will move for the next module, and that deals with the managing stress and conflict in contemporary society. That is the fifth module, and in that first question is, digest helps to develop power of concentration, and the correct answer is meditation. Meditation helps to develop a power of concentration. Second question, digest means forming close association with trusted friends and co-workers, and the correct answer is networking. Third question, Maslow identified dash dash set of needs, and the correct answer is five set of needs. Fourth question, digest needs include appreciation and search for beauty, love for art and architect form, and the correct answer is aesthetic. Fifth question, digest are the people who conceal their opinions and feelings and do not take any interest in conflict resolution, and the correct answer is concealers. Sixth question, in the method of dash dash the stress victim is under the medical guidance, and the correct answer is biofeedback. Seventh question, the digest needs lies at the highest level of hierarchy of Maslow's needs hierarchy theory, and the correct answer is self actualization. Eighth question, digest are expressive and try to criticize someone or others irrespective of the issues of conflict resolution, and the correct answer is okay students. These are the different multiple choice questions of the subject of foundation course. There are 5 modules are there, and we have discussed the various multiple choice questions of these 5 modules one by one. Okay students, for this video I have used the one book, and that is Foundation Course 1 Semester 2nd, which is written by Michael Vaz, Madhu Nair and Meeta Seta ma'am, and that book is published by Manat Prakashan. If you have any questions or any suggestions, you can write into comment box, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.